the smart way to keep your food fresh longer. Samsung Digital Inverter, Twin Cooling Refrigerator. It features Twin Cooling Plus system, convertible 5-in-1, Power Cool and Freeze, and Cool Pack. Its Twin Cooling Plus system provides ultimate freshness, with separate coolers for each compartment. The separate evaporators allow each compartment to maintain its ideal humidity and temperature. It includes 5 different modes, which are convertible with a simple push of a button, to suit your specific needs. Its Power Cool and Power Freeze rapidly delivers cold air to fast cool or freeze on demand at the touch of a button. Power Cool quickly chills food and drinks, while Power Freeze is great for firming up frozen food and making ice. There is a cool pack in the freezer to delay the rise in temperature during power cuts. We design your home and everyday life. Samsung Digital Inverter, Twin Cooling Refrigerator.
LG's 260-liter 4-star frost-free double-door refrigerator. LG Smart Inverter Compressor is one of the most advanced and energy-efficient compressor. It saves energy by adjusting cooling power in response to the amount of food you load in the refrigerator, which provides efficient energy consumption. The ice beam door cooling system comes with specialized vents which ensures that every corner of the refrigerator is cooled evenly. LG's Smart Diagnosis is a fast and easy way to troubleshoot issues. Solving problems is just a phone call away. LG's refrigerators also comes with another trademark feature, the Auto Smart Connect. This feature helps connect your refrigerator to home inverter automatically every time the power goes off. During power cuts, it consumes power less than that of 2 CFL bulbs. The double twist ice tray is another interesting feature. Twist the ice tray to collect the ice in the box below. Pull the box and use the ice. Visit the product detail page to know more about warranty, installation, scheduled delivery, exchange offers, and EMI options.